Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to cancel a subscription on Dropbox. Now if you want to cancel a subscription on Dropbox but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on a device. So if you have not installed and if you have not taken the subscription, then you won't be able to cancel it. I hope you know that. So to cancel a subscription, you just need to go on Play Store on a device, and from here you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see the option of payments and subscriptions. So click on it, and here you will see the option of payment method, purchase verification, subscription, and all of it. So if you click on the subscription, here you will see the number of subscription which you have taken on your same mail. So make sure that you are logged into the same mail on Dropbox also, and after that only you will be able to see the subscription like this. And from the subscription page, you just need to select the Dropbox, and you just need to tap on the option of cancel subscription, and you will be able to cancel the subscription of Dropbox. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.